Hi guys, welcome back to RBC Talk. So quickly look at today how the market behaved. Now it is around 1:30, and this is the first candle, and this is the high, and this is the low. This is the last to last month level, and this is the current high of the day. And yesterday we had seen these levels, right? So once this cross, we kind of like got a good upside movement, and we know that the market is in uptrend, and even though the candle is actually red, this level definitely is going to play an important support level, right? So considering that in mind, don't jump in if you see a small downside candle. Also, don't jump into for the trade and see what happened here, right? So and wait for the closer and see a lot. It's like it's coming down, but it's actually there is a lot of buying support here, so it is pulling back, right? So just blindly entering within the first 10 minutes, 15 minutes, thinking that you are going to miss out an opportunity is not a right thing to do, right? So wait for a confirmation, but don't jump in the trade in the initial few minutes. So you see this, there's a high probability when you see the red candle, it goes down, but end of the candle, you see that there is a strong upside momentum, right? Considering this support and what happened on the previous, if you see the left side chart, definitely you need to wait for another green candle to consider for the upside momentum. Right, back to back, there are green candles. When we are seeing this green candle, in fact, actually we communicated to the team that just 24 300 CE, which is trading at 165. So I suggested take a trade with 158 stop loss, a small stop loss, uh, and you will have a bigger target here, right? Look at this. So this in fact actually tested 159, but immediately it reversed. And you see this is the first target we had given. And like, if you see this 3 plus 3 plus 2, 8 candles, 8 into 5, 40 minutes, it tested this target. So this is 165 to 195. So then we suggested to raise the stop loss to somewhere here, right? And then we suggested stop loss to bring it to 200 here. Pullback should be expected here, but the momentum actually took to the higher side, right? So if you see here, right, so 24 440 and this is 24 300, 130 points up. Then the option price from 165 it went to 230. So there is a 65 points, close to 60 points, I would say 60 points upside momentum. So I suggested to raise the stop loss here and the raise the stop loss here because of previous levels, and there is a lot of selling here happened in the past, and that information also shared in the group, right? So you look at this, and there is a reversal. We try to go up, but you see it's coming down now, right? And once this cross below, then you can expect downside. Otherwise, there is a bounce back. That's the understanding. So if you look at the current time is there is a bounce from here, 24 380, again 24 440, right? So this is the current market. It took up 24 450. So here there will be some resistance, and if it cross sustains, then you will see a further upside. If not, then again you are going to see this one. This is an it 140 update, and just wait for messages in the group when to take the right opportunity, right trade, right? Yeah. Thank you.